Reduce belly fat with apples. Try teriyaki pork chops with sautéed apples. Eating apples help in good gut flora for good health, which can reduce obesity and belly fat pileup. By delaying the stomach emptying process, it slows digestion and may help you feel full for longer. Ingredients: 4 pork chops, about 6 ounces each. 1 cup bottled teriyaki marinade. 1/2 tablespoon cooking oil. 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger. 1 apple, peeled and diced. 1/2 cup apple juice. 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon Chinese 5-spice powder. Salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Combine the pork chops and teriyaki sauce in a sealable plastic bag. 2. Marinate in the refrigerator between 1 to 8 hours. 3. Preheat a grill or large cast iron skillet. 4. Heat oil in a saucepan, add onions and ginger until onion is translucent. 5. Add the cut apples, apple juice, vinegar and stir in the 5-spice. 6. Simmer for 10 minutes, until the mixture is softened but not mushy. 7. Remove the pork from the marinade and grill for 4 to 5 minutes per side. 8. Serve each chop with a scoop of the apple chutney.